Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a relatively newish wig from Estetica called Roxie. And the color on Roxie is one of my favorite gray colors. I think it's a really chic silvery gray. This is R51 LF60. What that basically means is that it starts off being a little darker here at the nape and in the back. The LF means lighter front. So towards the front, it kind of turns into a really light silvery white color. So really cool. This wig is really lightweight. It weighs 2.2 ounces, which is really light. On top of that, it's pretty short. It's 2.5 inches here at the nape, 4 inches at the crown, 3.5 inches at the side, and the bang is only 3.5 inches. So, to me, it's like the perfect length to sweep off to the side. I find the bang to be kind of long. The sides are not quite as long as you can see here, but you've got these longer pieces that are up here that kind of make this kind of a neat cut. Just really, really chic. The Natural line, of which Roxie is a member, has really lovely lace fronts. And they're kind of deep lace fronts, so you'll actually be able to see kind of like almost a third of a monotop, and then the permatease begins. Very, very cute wig. I actually think this is a super cute little short style. I'm gonna turn to the side now so you can see all of this. I'm gonna tilt the camera up just a smidge. Very, very cool. Here's the back. If you see any of my bio hair popping through, that'll give you an indication of what the coverage is like. My bio hair is quite dark, so you'll be able to see it right away if it pops through. You can see what I mean when I turn to the side about the lighter front, how it kind of starts off a little darker. Not dramatically darker, but just darker at the nape, and kind of moves into this very light kind of silvery fox silver. So, dig it. I'm going to go ahead and take this off so I can show you the cap construction. Lots of hair in the front of that wig, by the way. This wig does have permatease, but in this color you can't really see it that pronounced. It's kind of nice. Estetica has some very stretchy caps. And this is no exception. It's pretty darn stretchy. Very nice. It's adjust with kind of like a hook closure. Does have an extended nape. See where that permatease lives, kind of like a spade shape down the front. Lace front, you can see what I mean. It's about a third of a monotop almost. And then the rest of it is open. The ear tabs are normal, nothing fancy, but they're easy to wear glasses with. Very, very cool layering in the back here. Just a very nice, chic little short wig. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on. This one's really comfortable on. You could part it any way you want. You could sweep all the longer hair to the side like I did earlier, or you could just kind of like knot and have it kind of go off to both sides a little bit if you want that. You can even mess it up a little bit if you want to play with the texture a bit more. Super cute little cut. So this is a symmetrically cut wig, but depending on where you part it, you can make it look like an asymmetrical pixie, which is awesome. So this has been the Roxie wig by Estetica in one of my favorite silver shades. This is R51 LF60. So thank you for watching, and be sure to visit my wig store, CysterWigs.com. Again, my name is Heather, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.